Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Pat at Kurt Scale Dreams. So today is Model Cars and Coffee this Sunday. Thank you, Paul, for over at Left Coast Model Car Builds for hosting and coming up with this idea. I know everybody loves it. I love it too. And fortunately, I have the day off, so I am going to make a video for you all. And I'm going to show a model that this is the first, like I was supposed to rebuild this. It was kind of on the rebuild table or pile, if you will. And I've got way too many kits that are, you know, full kits, unstarted. So I figured there's no way I'm going to get to this build unless I stop everything else and rebuild it. And I've got two other of these kits, so I decided I would weather it. So yeah, that's what I did. It was already painted, so I just had to throw some acrylic to give it some texture, and then yeah, weathered it all up. So anyways, also want to thank my viewers and my subscribers for the support in the last couple of videos. I really appreciate the views, thumbs ups, all that stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And of course, offer my prayers out to people that are struggling out there. And I know there's a few things going on. Sorry, I was trying to blow off a piece of dog hair off my phone. Anyways, I know there's a few things going on with some of the community members, and I really offer my support and prayers to you guys. So that's that. So I'll get you guys flipped around and we'll have a look at this this weathered car that I did. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 66 Nova kit, the Pro Street. I know pretty much everybody knows this kit. It's a great donor kit for building Pro Streets. I have two others of these kits unbuilt, which I probably will. I might build one, and I might use the other chassis for Pro Street build. So this was supposed to be a rebuild. I initially wanted to rebuild it, so it was obviously painted blue. So I kind of figured I wasn't ever going to get to it, so I just did some weathering, replaced some parts that were missing, and yeah, that's what you see here. So this was weathered using acrylics. So I built up some texture on the body with acrylics. So what I use, do I even have it around here somewhere? I thought maybe I should have had it. I was just thinking, I didn't even think of it until now. Shoot, where is it? It should be right here somewhere. Anyways, it's like a paste. Oh, that's irritating me that I can't find it, because I know it's like right here somewhere. Might actually have it in behind here somewhere. So anyways, I built up some texture using like acrylic paste. It's kind of like this stuff, really thick paste. So built up some texture using that, and then once that dried, I used acrylic, or sorry, the weathering powders, and then I Did some colors with that using the black, and mostly the black. I didn't really want like the new rust look. Want it to look kind of old rust, nothing really new. It's a weekend warrior kind of car. It was the theme for it. I did get the car lowered. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to reposition to show the stance a little better. So once I got the black soot on there, then I used metallizers to make it look like it give it a metallic look to it. So this hood, I did that the same way to make it look like it's all metal. You can see my fingerprints on it from handling it just before this. So yeah, the wheels and tires are from the parts box. They were done in aluminum and then rubbed out with metallizers. I had to replace the back bumper. It was missing. And then one of these bolts fell off. So that's just styrene stock bent up to make it look like a bumper. Nice lightweight for a weekend warrior. It is lowered. I did the metallizer look on the bottom. So it's not a brand new build obviously, but it's got a bit of weathering underneath there. So that's your bottom. Sounded out these rear wheels. I didn't use the kit wheels, but I used these thick Goodyears. Sure, we're all familiar with these in some of the old kits. So I used those. Scratch built a real simplified roll bar in there. Just used everything from the kit, and as far as the interior went, nothing special there. I had to make some back glass that was missing, so there's a little bit of a dent here. So the trim was done with a chrome pen, and then I used metallizer over top of it. Actually turned out pretty good. It's not bad. It doesn't like if you don't want shiny chrome on like a weekend warrior type thing, right? So that actually turned out pretty good. So I tried to rub out those Super Sport and the flag there with metallizers and the pen as well. Didn't turn out the best, but so you can see all that texture there on the top. So we saved this from the junk pile for sure. And then on the front, I had to make this piece right here. I was missing the chrome trim on the top of the hood. Whoops. So that's what this is, and rubbed out with metallizers again. So you can see the headlights. I put black in around, so that's I just did that with acrylic paint, black wash around, kind of give it some more definition there. Weathered up this front bumper a bit. And then this is a big block from the parts kit, or parts box, sorry. I can't remember which kit that's from, but anyways, it's got the high rise and doesn't have a upper rad hose because, you know, we're not racing anytime soon. So yeah, that's that. Big block in there, shoehorned in there, barely fits, but it's in there. So yeah, that's the 66 Nova. this thing looks really cool in pictures, as you can tell by the thumbnail. I brought this to a contest, and I didn't think it would do good at all, but it was actually pretty popular on the table, which is kind of funny because it seems like all the ones that I bring to a contest and I think, oh, I'll just bring it anyway, um, end up getting a lot of people asking about, oh, how, they get a lot of attention. It's kind of funny that way. But anyways, hope everyone's doing well. Has a good rest of their Sunday, and I'll try and get this uploaded as soon as I can here. And go Canucks go. We won last night. We're doing pretty good so far, early in the season. Anyways, so talk to y'all soon. Pat out, Monologue.
Thank you. Thank you very much.